Let's take note of the time. Everyone can guess how long will it take to repair this phone. We place the phone on a heating pad to soften the adhesive around the screen, then remove the screws at the bottom. Use a suction cup screen remover to lift a corner of the screen. Use a plastic tool to slide around the edges to separate the glue. Open the screen. The phone hasn't been used yet. The interior is very clean and tidy. First, protect the front camera and Face ID. Let's remove the screen. Before removing the screen, we need to unscrew this metal plate. Remove the securing plate. The back has a lot of cushioning foam. Disconnect the battery, display, touch, and sensor cables to remove the screen. Okay, the screen is also very clean and tidy. Looking inside the case, we clearly see the hard drive, battery, vibrator, charging port, speaker, and the earpiece above, the 3 rear cameras, front camera, and Face ID. The motherboard is here. To remove it, we disconnect all cables connected to it because the rear, front, earpiece, and charging port all connect here. Disconnect all these flex cables, unscrew the screws securing the motherboard, then remove the motherboard. Doing this will void all official warranty. Do you think it's worth it? Besides no official warranty, what are the other downsides of upgrading storage? Comment below and discuss. iPhone 15 Pro series has a flex cable on the back. That's the wireless charging cable. Remove it to take out the motherboard. We have to complain again. The iPhone 15 Pro's motherboard has very little heat dissipation film. How do you think the 15 Pro handles heat? Does your phone overheat? Let's look at all the connectors. First, remove the foam around the connectors. This silver strip is the storage chip. This is what we'll replace. Protect the area and secure it with a fixture. Some people quietly watch but secretly like, comment, share, and follow. So cute. Use a hot air gun. First, preheat the motherboard and chip area. Remove glue to avoid damaging capacitors or resistors. Add some flux and heat. Remove the original 128GB chip. Some people quietly send gifts through. Comments, so sweet. Add flux to the solder pads. Level all solder points with solder wick. Use solder tape and an iron to flatten each point. The original chip has almost no black glue under it. Clean the solder pads. Wipe clean. Okay, solder pad prep is done. Look at the 1TB chip is larger than 128GB/256GB/512GB. The only difference is the chip, nothing else matters. Install new solder balls on the 1TB chip. Some people secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. So cute. Melt the solder balls. Check each point is full and flat. Okay. Install the 1TB chip. Add flux again to the solder pads. The chip has pin positions, must be installed correctly. Heat until the chip has a bounce back feel, then it's done. Clean it thoroughly. Cool the motherboard quickly. Remove the motherboard. Peel off the protective tape. Remove and clean the sticker above the chip. Clean the whole motherboard. Reattach all foam. Loyal fans know we skipped a step. Do you know what? After the board is ready, we clean the housing, then reinstall the motherboard, attach the wireless charging cable, install the motherboard into the frame, connect all flex cables, reinsert the main screws securing the motherboard. Some people secretly gift through comments, adorable. Clean off leftover glue around the frame. Yes, we also need to apply black glue around the motherboard. It's optional, but helps reinforce the board. After this, apply new waterproof adhesive. Clean off leftover glue around the screen. Manual installation is safest. Install the screen. Connect the sensor cable, display, and touch cables. Finally, the battery cable. Clean and install the shield. Screw in the metal plate. Some people send $1 gifts through comments. How cute. Close the screen. Install the SIM tray. Don't rush to screw the bottom yet. Place the phone in a pressure tool. After pressure holding, take it out. Finally, screw in the 2 bottom screws. Since we changed the storage chip, just reinstall the system. Done.